am so excited about the things that I've been working on. And I've been thinking about it like, why didn't I do this sooner? And I'm just really excited because my project is turning out so well. And with that, I thought about everything that I made in 2023. So, I want to talk about my 6 top makes of 2023. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz. If you are new here to the channel, hopefully you'll decide to subscribe by the end of this video. So, these are my top 6 makes of 2023. Number 6 is Simplicity S89.99. This is a men's bow tie pattern, and I made a few, I think like 3 bow ties for my husband so far. And he really loved these bow ties. I enjoyed making them, and believe it or not, they are really quick and easy to make. Number 5 is the one shoulder dress. This is a pattern by Mimi G, and it is exclusive to Sew Academy students. I made this dress for my daughter for her graduation day, and it came together very quickly and very easy. Number 4 is the men's raw edge denim jacket. I had so much fun sewing this. This is my first time sewing anything denim, sewing anything with a separating zipper, which came out lovely. The stitching and everything I enjoyed doing. The finished product made me so proud, so proud, so proud. I loved it all. You know, I have that love-hate relationship with zippers, but this one was a breeze, and I would gladly do it again. The pattern for this raw edge denim jacket was drafted using the self-drafted pattern for the men's t-shirt that I did, and this was all done through tutorials in the Sew Academy. Number 3 is the Arlo Dress by Petite, Stitchery and Company. Oh my God, guys. I love this dress. Not only did I make one, but I made 2. And the first dress was for Valentine's Day. It has a turtleneck and bishop sleeves. The second dress I made for Easter, and it has a split on both sides. And they are easy and simple to put together. Coming in at number 2 is Simplicity S9295. This is a vintage style pattern by Gertie. It is a women's button-up top. And if you watch my video on learning to sew buttons on my sewing machine and the whole fear of just sewing buttons and buttonholes period, you will know that I was super thrilled at how great this top came out. I overcame my fear of buttons, and I just absolutely loved the fit of this top. And the garment that made it to the top of the list, coming in all the way at number 1, is the Gosling by Mimi G, number 1005. This was my first men's button-up shirt, and it came out absolutely great. First of all, let's talk about the fabric. This fabric is a Bob Marley fabric that I purchased from Fabrictopia. My hopes when I made this shirt was to also make a matching skirt for myself, but I kind of messed that up because the first pattern piece I did cut out incorrectly, so that ate up a big chunk of fabric, so I really didn't have anything left to make for myself. But I did make him a matching bow tie to go with this shirt. Back to the shirt. This pattern has a yoke, a button placket, buttons, and a sleeve tab. Yes, buttons, a button placket, a yoke, a collar, and a sleeve tab. And these are elements that I really hadn't worked with before. I definitely hadn't done the sleeve tab or the yoke. And I almost tripped myself up a little bit, but I overcame that quickly and I got it done. The hem of the shirt is a curved hem. I absolutely love this garment, and I definitely will be making more. So these top 6 makes of 2023 are garments that helped me overcome certain fears. And some of these garments were meant to be wearable mock-ups, but they came out so well. They were actually the final garment, and I was able to actually wear them out. Everything on this list has been worn at least once. So I am very proud of these makes, and they have really given me the courage and motivation to push forward with new things and new skills and new techniques in 2024. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button already, please consider doing so that you can see my progress and the new things that I am working on in 2024. 2024, I have claimed to be my year. Is going down in 2024. So hit that like button, turn on that notification bell, and share this video with a friend. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.